Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 7, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification panel, and here in the top bar you can see all the visible icons. If you want to add, remove or change the position of some icons, you should just click here on this edit icon, and here we can see all of our available icons on the top bar and this down section with these icons that we can add to our notification panel. So just to edit them, hold for a while the icon and drag it here to the subsection where you want to just edit. For example, so we add here the focus mode here and the one-handed mode, and by this way we can add some icons to our notification panel. If you want, you can all of them add here, that's not a problem. Just by the same way we can remove some icons from the notification panel. Just hold it and drag it here to this down section by this way, and just to save the changes also just go back and that's it. And to change the positions, here is nothing new, just hold for a while the icon and drag it here to this up section. For example, the next one will be location, and by this way you can just customize your notification panel shortcuts. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.